Meet Alvaro, a connoisseur of speed with a penchant for artistic expression. His latest endeavor, the 3D Core, stands as a testament to his mastery of motorcycle customization, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless craftsmanship. Born from the chassis of a bone-stock Kawasaki KX450, the 3D Core represents a bold departure from convention. Inspired by the iconic Malaguti Grizzly dirt bike of the 80s, Alvaro embarked on a journey to reimagine the essence of two-wheeled exhilaration. Collaborating with Codoro Studio and Skorpion Engineering, Alvaro's vision took shape through the innovative application of 3D printing technology. Every facet of the KX450 underwent a metamorphosis, draped in a mesmerizing mesh-like attire crafted with precision and care. The transformation extended beyond aesthetics, with comprehensive upgrades to the bike's performance and handling. Enhanced brakes, suspension mods by Tiziano Monti, and a meticulously tuned engine, courtesy of Andrea Casagrande, ensure that the 3D Core commands the road with unparalleled prowess. But it's the meticulous attention to detail that truly sets the 3D Core apart. Anodized accents in vibrant red and blue hues pay homage to its inspiration, the Malaguti Grizzly, while bespoke paintwork by Carrozzeria de Bona Paolo and Michel Battiston adds a touch of elegance to its rugged exterior. As Alvaro D'Alfaro reflects on the culmination of his labor, he acknowledges the collaborative effort that brought the 3D Core to life. Each artisan, from Dido Racing to Piazza Rosa, contributed their expertise, elevating the project to new heights of excellence. In the 3D Core, Alvaro has not only crafted a masterpiece but also ushered in a new era of motorcycle customization. With the promise of emerging fabrication techniques, the horizon of the customs scene shines brighter than ever before.